Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to filter your tasks by due date on Asana, a vital tool for staying organized and meeting your deadlines. First things first, log into your Asana account and navigate to the My Tasks section. This is your personalized task list, where you can see everything you're responsible for. Now that we've done that, you'll notice a button labeled Sort in the top right corner. Click on this button. Why do we start here? This Sort button is your gateway to organizing your tasks in various ways, and it's crucial for our next step. Next up, in the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see several options. Look for and select Due Date. The reason we do this is quite simple. Sorting by due date allows you to see your tasks in chronological order, making it easier to prioritize. You'll instantly see your tasks rearranged, with the tasks due soonest appearing at the top. Now, let me explain why this matters. Asana is all about helping you manage your work effectively. By filtering your tasks by due date, you ensure that you're always aware of your most pressing tasks. This helps you to manage your time and workload more efficiently. You don't have to worry about missing any deadlines, as the tasks due soonest are always at the top of your list. Once you've sorted by due date, remember that you can always change the sorting method if you need to. Just go back to the Sort button and select a different option. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is working to make your task management as flexible and customizable as possible. And there you have it. You now know how to filter your tasks by due date on Asana. This simple yet powerful feature will be a game changer in your project management. Remember, staying organized and keeping on top of your tasks is the key to success in any project. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.